This presentation will feature the essential and meaningful use of educational technology in the delivery of classes. Welcome! Educational technology refers to the appropriate and meaningful use of technology-based or real objects in order to promote learning. In Cloud A, students will learn in a combination of online and offline learning activities. Therefore, they will use a variety of learning materials which are available and accessible for home-based learning. The integrated school will utilize the official learning management system of the university as the main platform of the virtual learning environment or the K-12 virtual classroom. The use of AUF MyClass will allow the school to deliver the following components of the program. Teachers have been using learning management system for 2 years already in order to supplement classroom instruction. In this pandemic, the learning management system will serve as our virtual classroom, facilitating meaningful learning interactions at the comfort of our students' homes. It is used in a variety of ways, including instruction and assessment. Our learning management system will feature all class modules and activities for assessment. It is also capable of hosting synchronous and asynchronous learning activities. Parents may also be enrolled as observers, receiving key information about programs of the school. Parents will need to download the Canvas Parent application in their smartphones to receive notifications and messages pertaining to the delivery of the academic programs. To inquire about it, they can email myclass@auf.edu.ph for support. We will be using the following technology-based materials and applications, including Google Calendar, Google Hangouts, Chat, Google Drive. Students will be oriented by their class advisors and teachers regarding the use of these resources. The Google Meet application is plugged in the student's MyClass. Links to synchronous activities and online classes will be provided through the student's AUF MyClass. Using the student's AUF mail accounts, students will utilize a variety of Google applications for learning and submission of written works. The school will also make Office 365 available as a resource for collaboration and learning. Office 365 education in the virtual classroom allows students and teachers to create powerful opportunities to learn a suite of skills and applications, including video conferencing, streaming, collaborative learning communities, and efficient exchange of information. Certain products of Adobe will be utilized by students and teachers in ICT courses offered to students, particularly for students in the higher junior high school grades, and the specialized ICT programs in senior high school. Students who will use Adobe products will get their login credentials and licenses from their teachers during the beginning period of classes. School support will be given by allowing students to utilize ICT laboratories or laptops at the integrated school following strict health and safety protocols and approval of requests for individualized ICT work at the SBC. Equivalent activities may also be given to students whose devices may not fully run computer applications. Online learning applications will be utilized to deliver competencies for robotics, programming, games and simulation activities. Students will be guided how to access these learning materials. These are available online and may be accessed by the students during their learning activities, with proper assistance and guidance from their teachers. Students will have access to online library databases and exclusive use of learning tools to develop mastery and proficiency in specific learning areas, particularly in mathematics. The university has online databases which may be used by students for reading purposes and to accomplish research tasks and assignments. The school shall promote intellectual honesty by requiring their students to cite their sources and references properly, since their written outputs and compositions will automatically undergo similarity check. Students will be oriented regarding the special feature of our learning management system. It detects similarity of students' outputs with available materials published. Recommended bandwidth for internet connectivity, 1.5 to 2.0 Mbps for each student, depending on the activity for the day. Depending on the program for the grade level and the requirements of the curriculum, there are recommended minimum requirements for certain gadgets. Students whose gadgets and devices do not meet the following minimum requirements to run certain computer applications will be given other computer-based or online learning activities as part of the accommodations. Please see our program primer for a list of specifications for gadgets and tools for specific grade levels. The integrated school also values exploration and interaction outside the online classroom. Essential learning materials will be utilized for contextualized, practical learning outputs. The list of offline learning activities will be provided twice, before the start of the first quarter or first semester and before the start of third quarter or second semester. Other learning resources include educational toys and manipulatives.
Smart, isn't it?